positive traits, positive characteristics, and what it means to be a good person. Got a really colourful assembly for you guys today.
We'll try and do a better job compared to last week.
Okay, so a lot of you guys were here last week, and we're going to build on what we did last week. So who remembers some of the positive characteristics that we spoke about last week? Yes, Shale.
Respect.
Sorry?
Respect.
Respect, very good.
Kindness.
Kindness.
Honesty.
Honesty. Girls, come on. Yes, yes. Compassion, very good. Yeah? Courage, good. Confidence.
Patience.
Patience, very good. Anyone else? Might be one or two that we've missed off. Honesty, yeah. Sorry?
Courage.
Yeah.
Courage.
Okay, good. I feel like you guys have got most of them. Well done.
Perseverance. Perseverance.
Perseverance and determination, yes. So, just as a little reminder, we had kindness, courage, compassion, perseverance, confidence, determination, gratitude, honesty, patience, and respect. So, can we think of any more? I feel like we covered quite a lot of them last week, what it means to be a good person. Are there any more that we can think of?
Like being kind of like respectful, like humble to yourself, humble to others and stuff like that.
That's really good. Humility. Yeah, being humble. Very good. Anything else? Yeah. Loyalty. That's a really good one. I feel like such an uncle had his hand up. You didn't? Okay, cool. I guess we'll figure them out ourselves. Okay, so here we have a little anagram. I feel like someone already figured it out, but the letters are a bit jumbled up here, so we figure out what characteristic we're talking about. So yeah? Humble, really good. Humble. I've said that one, so who's ahead of the game on that one? But yeah, who knows what it means to be humble? What is humility?
Like putting other people before you, like not being selfish. Not being too selfish and like putting other people before you and yeah, things like that.
Yeah, really good. Yeah, so humility, being humble. Next one, I have a bit of a riddle for you guys. I turn blank pages into a world brand new. I mix up colours, ideas and glue. I tell stories, build castles, make up a song. What am I that helps imagination go strong? Guys, put your hands up before I start. Anyone want to have a go? Creativity, yeah, really good. And why is it good to be creative in life, do you guys think?
We think of new ideas we think of new ideas like every day, so we are creative that way and we input that into our daily life as well.
Yeah, and when you do something different every day, you don't really get bored, do you? Yeah, just keep things going. Really good. And does anyone have an example for me this week when you've been really creative at something? And you've been really artsy and crafty? Any examples, guys? In DT, what did you do in DT?
I built a Bluetooth speaker.
No way. Does it work?
Yeah, it does.
That's really cool.
Sorry, what did you say?
I built a Bluetooth speaker.
A Bluetooth speaker?
Yeah.
Okay. We use it in school.
Sure.
Whatever you create, bring it in school. We use it. Thank you.
Really good. Creativity. Right, the next one. We've got our favourite one. Cooking. Okay? So, who remembers how this game worked last week? Leah, go have to work. Good, so the first letter of the character's name is going to spell out a characteristic, okay? So, who's this? Rapunzel. And what letter does Rapunzel begin with? R. Cool, so we're going to remember the letter R. Who's that? Eel. And what letter does eel begin with? E. Cool, so we're going to also remember the letter E. Who's that? Yeah, Lilo, really good. From what film? Where's she from? Lilo and Stitch, yeah? So what letter does that begin with? What letter does her name begin with? L. Cool. So what letters have we got so far? Should we do a little recap? R-E-L. Okay, so we're going to remember those three. Who's that? Iron Man. Very good at this. And what letter does Iron Man begin with? I. Very good. Who's that? Aladdin. And what letter does Aladdin begin with? A. Very good. Who's that? Bambi. Good. And what letter does B begin with? Oh, I've already just Alright, B. Who's that?
Both said it.
Lisa. Okay, well I've forgotten a letter here.
So much.
Yeah, okay, cool, Lisa, we'll run with that. Who's that? Wicked. Cool, but what is her name? Elphaba. Very good. And what letter does Elphaba begin with?
E.
E. Cool. So, I missed out a letter there, my mistake, but does anyone know what I'm trying to spell out here? Reliable. Well done, Khushali. And why is it a good thing to be reliable?
So that people trust you and like you're loyal to people and your friendships, essentially.
Yeah, like you want to be somebody that's dependable, don't you? You want your friends to always be able to rely on you. You want your parents to be able to rely on you to a certain extent. Yeah, when you grow up, when you're reliable, that is a really, really good thing to have in the workplace. Yeah? Who's the most reliable person you guys know? Your mum. Good. Anyone else?
My parents in general.
Yeah, both your parents. And what makes them reliable people?
If you have any worry, you can trust them.
Yeah, you can just always go to them and you know they're always going to help you out, right? Cool. So it's that trust that makes them reliable. Cool. Now, I've got some groups of people up here, and I want us to think about what do they all have in common, and what kind of characteristic do you think I'm talking about here? So, on the top left, who do we have? Toy Story, very good. What about on the top right? Shrek. Cool, that's to bring in my favourites back again. What about the bottom left? Friends, very good. What about the bottom right? Harry Potter. Cool. So here we have these groups of people, and what are they to each other? One of them gives it away a bit more than the others, I'll give you that. they're all friends, right? Good. And what is, yeah. So they're all friendly, aren't they? They're all friendly people to be around, they're all friendly towards each other. Good. Okay, who is the friendliest person you guys know? Oh. Guys, who's the friendliest person you know? What did you say? Mummy. Why is Mummy the friendliest? And Daddy. Why are they the friendliest people you know? That is a nice thing. Cool. Any other examples, guys? Do you think you guys are friendly people?
Yes, I would like to think so.
You'd like to think, and what is it about you guys that makes you friendly?
I'm a kind person to be around, I hope.
Yeah, when you're a nice person to be around, people really enjoy your company, you tend to be friendly. Okay? Cool. And another anagram. Got a couple more letters this time, guys, we're leveling up. I'll give you 30 seconds, Otherwise, I'll tell you the first letter. Yeah, who said that? Organised. Yeah, perfect. Organised, and it's a really good thing to be organised in life, right? Yeah. When do you have to be organised in life? Can you guys think of some examples?
Yeah.
To get good results.
At work.
Yeah, you've really got to be organised at work. Anyone else?
Every day.
I'll let you know when I get that. I'm sure it's true.
Our bedrooms are tidy.
Yeah, you've got to keep your bedroom tidy, isn't it? Good. And do you guys have to be organised and get your weeks in order to be able to come here every week? Or is that something the parents handle? Cool. I have to be really organised and get this sorted for today. Yeah? That could be you one day. Hopefully. Right, I've got another riddle for you. I see the bright side even when it's dim. I cheer myself on when the chances look slim. I hope for the best, that's my special trick. What am I? Starting with O and ending with C. Girls, come on.
Optimistic.
Well done. Is Shani going to say the same thing? Cool. Optimistic, right? That's okay. Right. And what does it mean to be optimistic? What are we doing with this? Yeah, not losing hope, always seeing the bright side of things, right? And it's something that's quite hard to do, isn't it? When, you know, things are a little bit tough and sometimes you just want to curl up on your bed and just cry the day away. But it's important that you look for new opportunities. It's good that you look at the bright side of things, yeah? So does anyone have an example for me when they've been optimistic recently? When they've had to look for the positives in something?
One of my tests.
One of your tests? Yeah, didn't go too well and you had to keep going?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Anything else? Girls? There's a lot of you today. Come on. I'm sure you've all been optimistic at some point in life.
When were you optimistic this week? How to get through the week.
Just getting through the week. That's fair. Yeah, sometimes you just have to keep it going. Very good. Yeah? Well done, guys. I think that might be the last one. So just a little recap of everything we've looked at today. So we looked at humility, creativity, reliability, friendliness, being organised and optimistic. Yeah? Hope you all enjoyed that, guys.
Thank you.